Are you tired of dealing with dry, frizzy, and damaged hair? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we will share 5 expert tips to repair your damaged locks and bring them back to life. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, trim regularly. Regular trims help remove split ends and breakage, promoting healthier hair growth. Book an appointment with your hairstylist every 6 to 8 weeks to keep your hair looking its best. Tip number 2. Use a deep conditioning treatment. Apply a nourishing hair mask once a week to restore moisture and repair damage. Leave it on for at least 10 minutes to allow the product to penetrate deeply into the hair shaft. Tip number 3. Avoid heat styling. Excessive use of heat tools like flat irons and curling wands can further damage your hair. Give your locks a break and opt for low heat or heat-free styling alternatives whenever possible. Tip number 4. Choose the right hair products. Look for shampoos, conditioners, and styling products specifically designed for damaged hair. These products contain ingredients that help repair and strengthen your locks from within. Tip number 5. Protect your hair from the environment. Exposure to sun, wind, and pollution can cause additional damage to your hair. Shield your locks by wearing a hat or using a UV protective spray when venturing outdoors. Remember, healthy hair takes time and patience, but by following these expert tips, you can rescue your locks and bring them back to their former glory. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks.